welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel, LifeAsDani. For today's video, I'm going to be unboxing this really cute Yunzii keyboard. Now, there's so many cute keyboards out there, and I'm just like starting to fall in love with keyboards, and I'm like slowly building a collection. So I just thought, let me do a YouTube unboxing video, and then we can kind of do like some ASMR-ish clips. But yeah, I'm excited to open it. So if you want to see this keyboard and everything that comes in this box, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, so let's take off this sleeve. Oh my gosh. Okay, here's the box. On the back it says C68. It's a pretty big box. Okay. So here's what it looks like inside. So you get this really cute mouse pad right up front. We can go ahead and open this. Cute. I'm gonna use this because I just have this black one that my husband gave me because it was one of his extras, but this is gonna look so cute on my desk. And then here's the keyboard in the middle. Let me go ahead and take it out. Oh, she's pretty heavy. Good. And then we have two boxes in here that we'll go ahead and open first. So this says accessories. Let's go ahead and open. In here you get extra keycaps, but they have like cute little designs on them. Some strawberries and then kitty cat. And then here, switches. These are switches. So extra switches. Okay, so I'll put those off to the side. And then here it says accessories again. So let's go ahead and open. Oh, the charger, and then the keycap tool, like when you need to take off the cap. So yeah. All right, this is really cute. I can't wait to accessorize my keyboard. But here she is. And then you also get a really nice plastic cover. So she is safe and packaged really nicely, but oh, okay. She is beautiful. I'm so excited. And this is not like your full keyboard. I don't know the percentage. Maybe it's like, I'll put the percentage here on the screen because I don't know the percentage by heart. So freaking cute. And then the little cat sold me. So cute. I'm sure this comes off, but I'm just gonna leave it. But yeah, so up, down, right, left, shift, enter, backspace, home, delete, page up, page down. Yeah. So cute. So I figured out that this is just like an extra, I don't know what you would call it, but it's like the insert on the back. It's just an extra one, and inside that one is the USB that connects to the computer. But right now I'm solely on Bluetooth, and then I even I changed the color setting. So right now it's on like this one, and then to change it you press F and then home. So I don't know, let me turn down the computer brightness so you can see. You can kind of see like the difference. That one's just gonna stay like that. I guess every time on this one you type, does that. That one's kind of cool. Okay. Oh, that sounds nice. I like that. Okay. So yeah. And then we can just do a little bit of ASMR. So I don't like this lighting setting. I don't even remember which one I had it on. I don't think it was that one. This one is the one that I had it on. Okay. So here we go. If you guys are interested in any more of these like unboxing videos or just keyboard videos in general, then let me know by leaving a cat emoji down below, because I do have one more keyboard that I will be getting in the mail. I'm getting into keyboards and I don't know, something that I like, so I want to share that with you guys, and maybe someone else out there has like the same interest and are thinking about getting similar things but just wants to see it first. I don't know. I know that's how I am though. I like to see things like multiple times before I get it. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and like I said, leave me a little cat emoji if you're interested in seeing my next unboxing. Yeah, ciao for now. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.